two levels of home automation. The first one is having a Wi-Fi network. So obviously you need broadband and you need a Wi-Fi network in your house, but everything else can be wire-free. We would always recommend using powered blinds, so 240 volts to the site of the window or the door to power the blinds. But the actual control of it and the devices talking to each other is all wire-free. The second level is if you are building at the moment and you want to put in cable. Again, you need power cables to the windows and doors, but then your home networking specialist, which is usually a CDA member, will put in cables and they'll run all of those back to a cupboard. In this cupboard will be lots of computers. So it literally is a cupboard or some kind of space that they can keep the temperature at a nice constant level. And then you have all these boxes with flashing lights on and lots of cables coming in, and it's really quite techy. So it really depends on, are you retrofitting or are you building from new or extending and renovating? And then what level do you want to go to? Are you happy with a Wi-Fi network and you've got a good modem and your broadband's reliable, or are you putting in a full home automation system? We can work with either with our blinds and curtains, so it doesn't matter to us, we just need to know which one you're using, and we can also help advise. So if you're at the early stages, please talk to us. In fact, for any of this, just give us a call or fill in your details on our website. We'll get back to you.